we got a coffee machine for the new year. Tonight, I'm gonna try this Colombia from Nestle. And I'm making the coffee with this, what's this called? Dolce Gusto. Here we go. First, we open the box really gently because I've opened the box a couple times and every time I broke. Oh, but this time
I don't think you can like this flavour.
I
Don't think you can like it.
first turn on the
It's too strong for you.
turn on the power and wait for it to wait for it to be ready. Yes. Insert the capsule.
What number?
Oh, level 3 is a recommendation. So here's level 3. And I just said
Coco's gonna watch you too. He knows what's gonna
I
happen.
gotta wait for the coffee.
It's gonna be too strong for you. You're gonna cry like a
No,
little
I'm a
girl.
man. I'm a real man. Ooh. Ooh. Can you smell it?
Is it meant to be making that noise?
Very, very good. What? What?
Did you put enough water in it?
Oh, maybe not. Oh, no. Gosh.
You forgot to put water in.
That's my doggy, the loyal one. His name is Coco.
The loyal one.
Loyal. Yeah, he's freaking loyal. Look at him.
No,
He's waiting for his feed. Feed? No. Feed.
Food.
Food, yes.
Yeah, but he's already eaten tonight.
Oh,
He's
no.
the fattest poodle.
Wow. Jeez. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. We try it one more time. It's ready. Let's make some coffee.
Your cup is shaking a lot though.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. What? What is going on?
Maybe you need to move it here. Is the button green?
No.
Turn it off and on again. Okay, try it now. I think you broke a coffee machine.
Yay! Here we are. Thank God.
I think it's going to be too strong. It smells really good. Oh my god! I'm going to have to clean that. You can clean that now.
No way.
Yes, sorry.
No way. This
Is
only
that-
this much?
It's going to be really strong. I can smell it.
Very good.
That's
Refill the water. Maybe this much.
It's too strong for you, isn't it?
I'm a strong man. I can take it.
It's just pumping out water now.
With this coffee machine, you are a fancy person. Are you still taking the video?
Yes, I am.
Alright, turn it off, please.